Today we're going to try a little experimentation with a new tool. It's a etching tool I got from Harbor Freight. Thank you, Linda Kennan, for letting us know. And it's $9.99. So I'm anxious to try it. It's got batteries in it, AAA batteries. It came with the batteries, and you just turn this, I guess you just press on this while you're doing it. So let's see what happens. Okay, you have to get used to holding it kind of which way to hold it. So let me try it different ways. You make little dots. I'm going to see if I can get it a little closer even for you. So it might be going up and down. Let's see. I'm going to turn it sideways now. I can't make a continuous line very well. Let's see here. It might have something to do with the paper, the roughness of the paper.
I'd be curious to know if it actually damages the paper.
If it's
Yeah, that's my question. What are you seeing there, Sylvia, regarding the paper?
what was that?
How the paper is reacting to your
I think it's just
action?
a little bit of paper off. It doesn't seem to be hurting it.
I can see a little bit of white powder, which I assume is the paper,
Right.
downhill from your marks.
Mhm. But it's
Yeah,
making dots.
yes, I see the part. Yeah, I
Yeah,
see the,
honey, I think I'd like to get like a line. Let's see if I can make a line.
I don't think I like the tool. I'm not even using it.
I can't seem to make a line. Oh, there. Okay, by dragging it like this, dragging it this way, I'm making a line. Okay. It's sort of, I'm not sure if I like it, maybe just for little things. Let me try it on something else here. Like to clean up an edge.
It looks a little awkward to use, actually.
Yeah, and I think maybe, well, part of it is the sound, I'm very sensitive to sound. And so the sound is kind of bothersome to me, annoying. But I want to try it for a highlight on the edge of here. Let's see what happens.
We can't hear the sound, so
Oh, you can't?
no, at least I can't.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it's too high for the the equipment we're using.
All right. That works pretty well for the highlight. Yeah.
Does it sound like you're at the dentist?
I like being able to use it for the flowers. See about my oranges here. If you press hard, it just kind of digs into the paper. So
Yeah.
and it's a little hard to control it and keep it straight.
Is this your new toy that you were telling us about that you're using at this moment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And can you put different colors in it then? Because is that yellow? It's kind of, the focus is going in and out. Are you applying yellow at this time?
No, it's taking off the paper. I could come
Oh,
back.
it's taking off,
That's
Taking it.
white.
Yeah.
but
Take-
it doesn't completely ruin the paper then? I mean, it doesn't,
No, I mean it is taking off some of the paper.
and
So
so then you just swash it away with your hand, the little like sawdust, if you will, that's coming off the paper.
right.
Okay.
We don't know yet how whether it's a really good tool or not. This is a new experiment.
I like the painting.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just hope you don't ruin it with that tool.
Yeah, don't ruin it.
You have to have something to experiment on though.
Okay, so we'll try something else. Is this the one you thought I should try something on, Georgia?
I was thinking, yeah, that like you could have light colored stalks coming out of or something.
Yeah.
It looks to me like texture would be attractive in it. It's a beautiful painting,
It's too much the same though.
is it?
The thing is, it might be easier to do with just gouache.
Exactly.
Either that or even an X-Acto knife, not slicing down, but scraping.
Yeah, I want to try some zigzaggy lines.
Oh yeah, you could get water lines, water reflection lines.
Well, that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Like it.
Wonder how long the battery will last. Okay, let's see. Why don't I come back in now and just use a little gouache or something? Well, we'll do some of this.
Maybe, and also maybe try just scraping a bit. Although I guess usually when we scrape, the paint is wet, so that on a dry page that might not work.
I could try with an X-Acto knife, if I have it handy.
Right.
Or let me see if I have one of these gel pens that works. I've got
Oh,
it work as well anymore.
Yeah, I think a gel pen you'd have more control over.
yeah.
This is an acrylic pen, actually, acrylic. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think maybe they're just old and they need to be
Mhm.
recharged. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, here's what you'd call a scalpel. So I'm going to try scratching out with something like this. So this makes a big heavier mark because it's really tearing the paper.
Oh,
Yes, that's what I thought, that it would tear the paper. That's what I was trying to figure out, the other tool, how much it was tearing the paper.
Here's something that I've shown you before. It's called a ruling pen.
yeah.
It's got this little, like a gap in here that you can open and close. And this is something that you can use with gouache. It's really handy. Let's see if I have my gouache. You have to get a little bit of gouache, make it kind of liquidy. And now you can make it more narrow by squeezing this or turning the knob. And you have to shake it down to the point. And now I can draw with it. See how it's making white lines?
Yes. That looks very successful.
But it already all came out. Now I can, with my finger, I can smudge it, soften it,
Right.
so it doesn't have quite such a harsh line. But it's a tool that can be very useful. You can put ink in it also, and you could even put color in the gouache and make a different colored. Let me put in some yellow ochre. Not quite as harsh as the white. Now I need to make it a little skinnier.
I don't know if something went wrong or your voice went out when you were describing the white. Is this a thing with two heads and you put the gouache between it and then start bringing the heads closer together, forcing the paint out the top?
Yeah, that's right. So narrowing the gap is a nice thing. And be sure to clean it when you're finished with it.
Oh,
And then,
Could you use like a skewer or something to get an uneven but fine line?
well, I'm not sure. You'd have to try that and find out.
Yeah. So, so nice looking.
The nice thing about the ruling pen is that it holds the paint inside, so you don't have to keep dipping it in to something. Okay, so let's, oh, look, I think I got some spatter on here somehow. So let me try to get rid of that. So it's a little more interesting with some texture in the foreground.